today we are going to solve question number 4. That is, a polling company reported that 19% of 1018 surveyed adults said that the pesticides are very harmful. Complete parts A through D below. What is the exact value? That is 19% of 1018. So I'm going to use Excel. The value I am extracting the total values from this question. The first value is 19%, the second one is 1018. Value A 19% and the value B is 1018. Then answer multiply by this one. Okay, this is the answer A. As you can see, 193.42, 193.42. Now the part B could be the result from part A be the actual number of the adults who said the pesticides are very harmful, why or why not. The answer B is no. The result from part A could not be actual number adult who said that pesticides are very harmful, because account people must result in a whole number. This is not a whole number. This is 193.42 after decimal 2 points. So this could not be the whole number, the actual value. The part C is what could be the actual number of adults who said the pesticides are very harmful. So just round this one. Answer C. Here is the answer C. 193 is the whole number, could be the correct answer. The option D is among the 1018 respondent, 249 said that the pesticides are not at all harmful. What percentage of respondents said that pesticides are not at all harmful? So I am telling you the part D. The value C in this part is 249. So 249, I am entering this one here, and now this is simple. 249 divided by the total value. Here is the 0.24. This is not the percentage. Now convert this one into the percentage. This one into just click on the percent style. There is the 24%, but this is required that round to 2 decimal places as needed. So I am increasing its decimal point. 24.46. okay, 24.46 the exact answer.